Hey there, car enthusiasts and DIY mechanics. Welcome back to Auto Repair, your go-to channel for all things automotive. If you're seeing the dreaded P2240 code on your car's diagnostics, don't worry. Today we're going to break it down for you. In this video, we'll cover what this code means, the symptoms of an evap system large leak. First, let's talk about what this P2240 code actually means. This code indicates that there's a large leak in your vehicle's evap system, or evaporative emission control system. Now, the evap system is designed to capture fuel vapors from the gas tank and prevent them from escaping into the atmosphere. Now, how do you know you're dealing with an evap leak? Here are the common symptoms you might notice. Number 1. Check engine light. The check engine light is your car's way of telling you something is wrong. And an evap leak is one of the common reasons it turns on. Modern vehicles are equipped with sensors that monitor the evap system. If these sensors detect a problem, like a large or small leak, the light will illuminate. Number 2. Poor fuel economy. When the evap system isn't functioning properly, fuel vapors that would normally be recycled back into the engine are lost into the atmosphere. This means your car needs to consume more fuel to compensate, leading to noticeably reduced gas mileage over time. Number 3. Fuel smell. A strong gasoline smell is not only unpleasant, but also a safety concern. It often indicates a leak somewhere in the evap system, such as a cracked hose, a loose gas cap, or a faulty purge or vent valve. This smell is most noticeable around the rear of the car, where the fuel tank is located, or in the engine bay where the evap system connects to the intake manifold. Number 4. Failed emissions test. The evap system plays a crucial role in reducing emissions by preventing harmful fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. If there's a leak, these vapors are released, which is detected during an emissions test. Last number, hissing sound. The hissing sound near the fuel tank or along the evap lines is a clear sign of a vacuum leak. This could be caused by a damaged hose, a poorly sealed gas cap, or even a faulty charcoal canister. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's time to investigate. Start with a quick inspection of the gas cap and hoses. If the problem persists, use an OBD2 scanner to identify trouble codes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe.